Hello, this is Callum from the HBP Group, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use PowerPoint integration in Microsoft Teams. First of all, go to the Share Content logo in the top right. Scroll down on the list to where it says PowerPoint Live. Click where you would like to source the file from, your computer or OneDrive. Here we choose OneDrive. Tick your presentation, and then click Share. As you can see here, it loads up the presentation into Microsoft Teams. You can move through the slides with these selectors and also select the slides from below. You also have presentation tools such as highlighters and pointers. Here you would see any notes if they were set on the presentation. To finish your presentation, just press Stop Presenting and then once again click Stop Presenting. And that's the end of the tutorial. If you have any issues or queries, please give us a call on 01724 400 304. Thank you.